I know you see a chat sign on fees mo. If you say it's yasier, aye. Mincha my dear Kakra. Fanese Kotoko sign 8 players. 8 players, and fancy average it will be a transfer fee 100,000 cedis. It means he said immediately we are parting with 800,000 cedis for transfer fees alone. After fancy players, Obiasi may give 50,000 cedis sign on fee a year. Just by way of example, it means that particular season sign on fee for those players another 400,000. So we are looking at about how much? 1.2 million already. After existing players sign on fees outstanding to be paid. In fact, there is another 400,000. You look at 1.6 upfront. Every month you have to pay the players their salaries. And no number teams be extra more players and so much more. Because player no every player no po. Or 50,000 sign on fee no. Akota assassin. Boso me so obeki 1,000 cedis. 1,000 obedi no wesi down assassin so. Ontimi enya japade bia because sikana origin boso me no. And soon dimpo no do ka bibi japade. Meanwhile no the player no say 50,000 no. Anka what did the salary count on 60,000. And every month utua no 5,000 cedis ah. I don't know obetimi akon the bank ho. Aka tell mo say busumi bia me give 5,000 cedis. Inti no monto asase mame na montete me 1,000 busumi bia omobaye ama no. And obetimi aka say monto dan mame na montete me 1,000 omobaye ama no. Na mama me car loan na montete me 1,000. And no na ma no ho aye den atono na club no so aye den atono na sign off na e players and managers na agio e be gina mu a wo de ma player na na age na player no say den e kire no say ye ka say player bi bo Asante Kotoko e wo say obuo ye den e ba ne ho ukokuma se a kuma wood actors ye buo mu celebrities anameboa and so ye den na Kotoko players nye celebrities e wo kromu a odwen wa wonte ase obi betimi atamska 50,000 cedis Satawaleje when the shey never to nyomba akon e match because when the shey then celebrity says cannot the talk ma o player ba akon o star player kono so be hunu say no otwe e say be hunu so celebrity other brands they be endorsement be man endorsement they be billboard ama ni sika na eden ebi abeka ho nti e wo se hyehyehye ne imagine so am player 50,000 cedis sign on fee na player no to get to be sebio akoshe get to be Kotoko player e be then na wo dey attract sponsorship to Kotoko, so you should be able to invest in even baby players na eden etna cars a omutwi we nyina no edisika eden e ba back to the club my players no to mo a eno na mo perform you to the best of their abilities.